Today we want to show you how easy it is to change the VAT setup in QuickBooks 2010 to accommodate the increase in standard rate VAT that is due to come into effect on January 4th, 2011. This is the homepage of QuickBooks 2010, and for our 2008 customers this will look familiar. For our 2006 customers this will look like quite a change to their existing software. But the first step is to go to the Manage VAT window. This center has been added to consolidate all of your common VAT tasks into one view. So from this window you can see how much you owe as of the end of the last period or today. You can pay that amount now, you can view a summary report, a detailed report, or an exception report. So the method I'm going to take you through today is creating a new VAT code for the increase in standard VAT rate. To do that you're going to click the button Change VAT Setup. And we've added a new wizard in QuickBooks 2010 to make it easier to set up a new VAT code. So here I'm going to click the radio choice, Add a new VAT rate. I'm going to click Next. The VAT agency will likely remain as HMRC VAT. Click Next. The VAT name, Standard 20%. And click Next. The rate for this sale is going to be 20%, and the line on which your VAT return should be affected by the sale is box 1 and box 6, so VAT on sales and net sales. Click Next, and I'm going to apply the rate 20% for my purchase item, and I'm going to say that that affects box 4 and box 7. Click Next here, and the VAT code is going to ask me for a new VAT code, and so I'm probably going to say SH for standard high rate. You could use anything you like here. I'm just going to use SH, and now this window gives me a view of the VAT code that I just set up. So it's called standard 20%, it affects HMRC VAT, the code to be used on transactions is SH, and the rate is 20%, and this is the impact that it has on your VAT return. Click Finish, and that is as simple as it gets in terms of setting up a new VAT code. What you now need to do is assign that VAT code to all the customers, suppliers, items and accounts that would be currently using the S VAT code. So I'm going to choose Assign VAT Code, and we have a new window in here now which allows you to change the VAT codes one at a time for items, customers, suppliers or accounts. Here I can just change one at a time if I want. However, most customers will likely opt for the bulk change option, and because we're going to make a large change to the company file, QuickBooks is going to request a backup. I'm actually going to say no here, but we recommend customers do say yes. Click No, and it's going to give you the option to do a VAT code bulk assignment. I'm going to say I want to change all the areas of QuickBooks that use the standard VAT rate to now use the standard high rate. And as you can see, I just repeat the process for each area of the product. Right now I'm on customers, and very quickly I'll be able to make a bulk change to the entire data file. Just double check that I've got everything set up correctly there, and then I'm going to click Next. And QuickBooks is going to provide me a summary of how many changes it's going to make. Click Next. It's going to whip through and change those records, and here's the summary, and that is the recommended process for setting up a new VAT code and changing all existing settings in the product to use that VAT code. The final thing you can do is change the VAT standard preference here to use SH now as your default tax item. Press OK, and that's it. Now let's go and have a look at an invoice real fast. So create invoices and create an item here, and do it yourself oil change, and already QuickBooks has noted that I need to use the 20% VAT rate. If I just change that to 100, you will see that QuickBooks is calculating 20% of VAT here. Just press save and close. Once we select a job, obviously. Save and close. And there we have the invoice. Many thanks for your time today. I do hope you enjoy using the QuickBooks 2010 software and find the new VAT features that we've added save you significant time over your previous versions. Thank you.